What's up, everyone? Welcome to another edition of Weekly Outlook on HDA Forex Empire. We are going to analyze the Forex market using technical analysis. But before we dive into the chart, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with every video and educational content I drop. And please help me to share this video to friends and family so that they don't miss what you're enjoying this channel. Meet you in the chat. So guys, starting with GBPAUD on the daily time frame. Now GBPAUD looks bullish on the daily time frame. And now if you are to spot some key levels on GBPAUD, we have this key level here. We can spot a key level here on the daily time frame. And also spot another key level here on the daily time frame. So we have these two key levels here on the daily time frame. Now let's move to the 4-hour time frame and see what we have there also. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have this trend line here on the 4-hour time frame. We have this trend line here on the 4-hour time frame. So now this is what I want to see on GBPAUD. I want to see price break this structure upward like this, then a retest to this point. So we can have a zone here. So we can have a zone here, something like this. We can have a zone here. So now I want to see this happening on GBPAUD. So I want to see GBPAUD break the structure here, then wait for a retest into this zone here, then look for buying confirming candles, then buy for GBPAUD. Or it's likely that maybe price can just do this. Price can just do this. Price can just get here, then bounce to this point here. So I want to see price touch this trend line here, then wait for a buying confirming candle, then buy on GBPAUD. So my target for GBPAUD this coming week will be, let me see. So my target will be this point here. That's 1.94941. So that will be my target for GBPAUD this coming week. So the next pair we'll be looking at is GBPAUD. So on GBPAUD on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have this key level here on GBPAUD. We have this structure here. We have this structure here. And we also have another structure here. We also have another structure here on GBPAUD on the daily time frame. So now let's move to the 4-hour time frame and see what we have there also. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have another structure here. We have another structure here. We have another structure here. So now, this coming week, I'm expecting GBPAUD to move downwards. I want to see GBPAUD move downwards this coming week. So I want to see price drop from this side. Price drop from this side. Or from this side, maybe GBPAUD can break this zone here. Sorry. GBPAUD can break the zone, this particular zone here, and continue upward. It can break this zone and continue upward. So if GBPAUD gets to this point here, I want to see a selling confirming candle, then sell on GBPAUD. So this is my simple analysis on GBPAUD for this coming. Our next pair is GBPCHF. GBPCHF. So on GBPCHF, on the daily time frame, we can see that price is bearish on GBPCHF. So this coming week, I'll still be bearish on GBPCHF. But let's move to the 4-hour time frame and see what we have there also. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have this key level here. We have this key zone here. We have this beautiful key zone here. So I want to see price move upward. I want to see price move upward. So maybe Monday, Tuesday, I'll be scalping some buys up to this point here. I'll be scalping some buys up to this point here. So when price gets here, I'll be expecting price to sell from this zone. I'll be expecting price to sell from this zone here. And anything can happen in the market. So we can also have another zone here, another zone of interest here. We also can have a zone of interest at this point here. So these are the two zones I'm looking for sales on GBPCHF. So this zone, we have this zone here and this other zone here. Once GBPCHF breaks this zone upward, if GBP breaks this zone upward, then my buyers will be buys. I'll be looking for buying opportunities. But like I said, this week I'm bearish, but anything can happen in the market. So this is my simple analysis on GBPCHF. The next pair we'll be looking at is also Euro CHF, Euro CHF. So now we can see that price is what? Price is bearish. Price is bearish on Euro CHF. So we saw price retesting this zone here. Price retested this zone here and price came down here. And now we can see this bullish movement here. But let's move to the 4-hour time frame and get a clearer picture. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have this zone here. We have this zone of interest here where price has gotten to now. Price has gotten to this zone of interest here. And we also have another zone of interest here. We also have another zone of interest here on the 4-hour time frame. So now I'll be looking for sales on these zones. I'll be looking for sell on this zone here and this other zone here. This other zone here in case price breaks this particular zone, so I'm looking for sales on this zone or this particular zone here. So Monday, Tuesday we can be scalping some buys. So these are the three zones I'll be looking for sales on Euro CHF. So this is my simple analysis on Euro CHF. Our next pair we'll also be looking at now is the dollar index. So now on the dollar index, on the daily time frame, now we have this structure here. On the daily time frame on the dollar index. So we have this structure here. And now if you are to study closely, looking at current market behavior, you can see that now the market is kind of choppy. We have a choppy market here. Let me change the color to white. So we have a choppy market here. If we are to move to the 4-hour time frame, we get to see it clearly on the 4-hour time frame. So this is what I mean by a choppy market. So now what you have to do is this. We have to wait for price to break this box. I want to see price break this box. Downward or upward. So I want to see price break this box downward, then wait for a retest, then sell to this zone here. Or price can also break the box upward. Price can decide to break the box upward. So if price breaks the box upward, I'll wait for a retest, then I look for buying confirming candles, then buy on what? The dollar index. So this is my simple analysis on the dollar index. So our last pair we'll be looking at will be gold. So we are moving to gold now. On gold now, during the previous week, we saw that gold was very, very bullish in the previous week. And these are key levels we spotted. This one of it, and the other key level here, and another key level here. And we saw that gold was very, very bullish. But let's move to the 4-hour time frame and see what we have there also. So on the 4-hour time frame, we also have this minor structure here, this minor zone here. On the 4-hour time frame, we have this zone of interest. We also have this minor zone there. So now there's a likelihood of gold still being bullish. So I want to see gold retest this zone here. Then continue upward or come to this zone here or get to this zone. Maybe it can get to this zone here. Maybe price can decide to break this particular zone here, then get to this zone here, then continue upward. But if in case gold, if I'll be bearish, if I'll be looking for sales on gold, then this is what I want to see on gold. I want to see gold break this structure downward. I want to see gold break this particular structure downward. So I want to see gold break this structure downward and wait for a retest to this zone here. Then look for selling confirming candles, then sell down to this point here on gold. So like I said, this coming week I'm still bullish on gold. I'm still bullish on gold. I'm still bullish on gold. Or maybe it's likely that gold can just break out this zone straight away during this week. So maybe gold can just break this zone straight away during this week. So I'll wait for a retest to this zone, then look for buying confirming candles, then buy for gold. So this is my simple analysis on gold. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video valuable, make sure you hit the like button, and if you have any question, you can do what to ask in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer all your questions. You can also tap in the link in the description box below to join my Telegram channel where I drop free Forex signals and setups. Thank you for watching.